So there are basically 3 different ways that I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I will be able to demonstrate 2 of those ways for you, but the third one would ruin the cube, and I'm going to tell you what that is right now. And that would simply be peeling off each sticker and putting it on its corresponding side so it would match the rest of the colors. I did this with one of my first Rubik's Cubes, pretty much just destroyed it because the stickers constantly peeled off after that, and it was just a waste. Now, this one's pretty old, so some of it is kind of tearing up a little bit, but I'm just not going to, risk doing that. A second way that I can actually demonstrate for you, and I will, hopefully it doesn't ruin the cube, it hasn't yet, is actually taking it apart. You can literally take every single piece on here apart except for the middle axle or whatever you want to call it. So I will show you that right now. It might take some time to put it back together, so I will speed up this video when that time comes. But basically you're going to want to have to get a corner like this and find where it can prop out. Yeah, just like that. You got a couple pieces right here, and then voila, it pretty much all just starts coming apart after that. It doesn't take too much effort after you get the first couple pieces out. And then you have one huge Rubik's Cube mess. Now it's going to be time to fast forward it because this part takes pretty much forever. Okay, as you can see, that took me a really long time. It probably took me about 3 or 4 minutes or so just to do that. It is a pain in the butt to do, so honestly your best bet would actually just be learn how to do the Rubik's Cube the right way. And when I say that, there is no actually right way to do it, however, actually solving it without tearing it apart. I learned a way about 3 years ago by an algorithm. So I'm not some mathematician or brainiac who can do it in like 30 seconds, but I can do it in under 5 minutes, and the least amount of time that I've done it in was about 1 minute and 55 seconds. So here we go again. This is about to get boring, but I'm mixing up as much as I can to prove to you that I'm going to do it. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start with the white on top. Almost there. And there we are. The Rubik's Cube solved by actually solving it. So I just taught you, I didn't really teach you, I just showed you 3 different ways of solving a Rubik's Cube. I want to know, are there any other ways of solving a Rubik's Cube that you know of? Let me know, because I'm always ready to learn some more about my Rubik's Cubage. I'll see you guys later.